Yeah, boy. We are here. I've ripped, I think, the bumper off because I just yeeted in. Anyway, we're here back at M1. Tune in. We're going to film the R33 on La Hoist. Yes. So this rig, we actually built this a few years back now. I think it was like 3 years ago. She's still going strong, but the turbo Leco had an old Garrett turbo on it. It let go, so it's basically in for a touch-up tune with this turbs. So it should come on a whole lot sooner. And power-wise, before it had around about 460, 480, somewhere there. Stock 25 bottom, just built top end, and all the fancy other goodies that you throw on. So we're going to see what it goes and does. And you'll probably notice it sounds a lot like a 2J. And it's obviously not good RB. It's so tender. Right, the wind comes in from there, channels out the back. And he's just revving it over there. He's obviously tuning, but like, give me some throttle, mate, and some power here. Like a VL waiting for the boost. The wastegate's too small. We didn't believe him, so we shut the window on us. How, mate? Want to have a chat? And he's actually saying that the wastegate's a bit too small, so we're running a 45 on it. And I think it's right. 451! I didn't really get that one, but that second run was 451. I don't know what we're just getting. Back there. I don't know what that's from. So I just had to quickly throw some spark plugs into the thing. So the spark plugs are quite old in it. Hopefully had a little miss up the top in the last couple power runs, so hopefully she's cleared up now and we'll see what she's doing. But currently she's sitting around about the 444.1. So we'll see what she does. So a little bit less than what I had previously, but it is a slightly smaller turbo. final verdict. The car's out, all tuned with the turb ski. We had to go get some brand new, these puppies, as like I said earlier, the factory ones were just not cutting it, so I had to go get some new Spitfires, I forget what the exact name is, you know the brand. They're in, so 17 pound boost, made 468 horse, so it's still pretty rowdy. That's pretty much what it had the whole time, with a bit bigger turbo, so a bit more, obviously it comes on a whole lot sooner, so yeah, kind of see how we drive, because this felt a whole lot slower than the AU, which was funny because years ago when we did this, well before we did the AU, it was like, man, this is crazy, but now I'm like, oh, and because of the lag, it felt so much slower, even though it's got more power, but because it came on so much later, she didn't get the whole hit of boost. So she's on, she's tuned, and a couple of things just maintenance wise we'll need to look at, as she was built a while back, but other than that, really good, happy with the results, keen to get it driving and going around. Obviously got to thank Benny M1 Tuning, best tuner on the Goldie. Doesn't even pay me to say this, he's just generally the best man, and if I do anything crap, he pretty much almost, yeah, he might hit me one day, but it's okay because I do the job right and it works. Thanks guys, peace out, see you next week. We're going to be in the horsey, yeah boy. But yeah, I might change that intro, the outro a little bit. Just a bit. Yes, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this 33 Skyline. We're going to do a full review on it. Can't remember if you'll see this before or after, but either way, hope you guys enjoy it. Real tiny 33, all the little goods in it. So peace out, thanks for watching, catch us later.